Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will do page number 25 to 28 of Mathematics Workbook A3. Let's move to the page. Topic is Pretty Beads. Maria's aunt can make earrings and necklace from beads. Let's move to the point. Color the earrings. Let's color these earrings with same pattern. Now coloring is completed. Move to the next page. The topic is necklaces and earrings. Here you can see necklaces and earrings made with different beads of different shapes. Point is circle the correct shape in the box to continue each pattern. In this necklace, first shape is oval and next is star. In the same pattern, next is oval and star. To continue this pattern, we will circle the shape of oval. In the next necklace, there are two squares and one star. In the same pattern, two squares and one star. By following this pattern, we will circle the shape of square. In the last necklace, first shape is oval. Next shapes are triangle and circle. Next beads are in the same pattern, oval, triangle and circle. And we have to need the shape of oval to continue this pattern. Let's circle it. Now complete the earrings with same pattern. In this earring, first shape is square and next shapes are oval and square. And we have to need the shape of oval to complete this pattern. In the next necklace, first shape is star and another shape is triangle. And next shape is star. To complete the pattern, we have to need the shape of triangle. Circle it. Move to the next page. Topic is knitting. Maria's aunt is teaching Maria and Sidra how to knit. Move to the point. Complete the pattern on each scarf by coloring it. Now color each scarf to complete the pattern. Let's start coloring. Now coloring is completed. Move to the next page. The topic is making patchwork. Maria and Sadia are making patchwork blankets. Move to the point. Look at the patterns and circle 5 differences in the 2 patchwork blankets. There are 2 patchwork blankets. Let's find out 5 differences. There is a star in first box, but in another blanket there is a shape of heart. Let's circle them. No more differences here. Let's move to the next. In the second row, there is a shape of heart in this box, but in another blanket there is a shape of star. Circle them. Let's move to the third row. In the second box, there is a shape of square, but in the second blanket, there is a shape of triangle in the second box. Let's circle them. In the last box there is a shape of star, but in another blanket in the same place there is a shape of heart. Circle them. Students, in this corner of the blanket there is a shape of square, but in another blanket there is a shape of triangle. Circle them. Now do this work on your book. Take good care of your health. Allah Hafiz.